Good evening. How are you doing tonight? What we're going to talk about are what do we do with that stubborn acne and what have we done about it for years? And is there anything new that can make that acne vengeance go away? Well, guess what? There is. I just arrived back from Milan, Italy and Paris, France. And I've been communicating with my colleagues over there since the beginning of the pandemic. Fortunately, even though the pandemic was going on, acne research has been continuing. And we have something great to introduce to you tonight. In Milan, Italy, over the last 7 years, they have been procuring and researching a laser, a brand new special laser. This isn't the laser for your hair removal. This isn't the laser for your facial rejuvenation. This is a laser specifically geared to acne, and it's a specific wavelength. You don't need to know anything about wavelengths and radiation, but suffice it to say, before, we never had a 1726 wavelength laser at 100 watts of power that could absolutely get inside the pores, get inside the sebaceous glands, and kill that acne bacteria. Well, folks, today we do. Just got back from Italy on December 13th, and we're proud to announce that in Italy, my friends have the AcneClear that has been worked on over the last 7 years by Quanta Corporation. Here in the United States, Cutera has caught up with them, and they have the AviClear. The AviClear will be in our offices next week, and we're going to begin to offer this service. So, who am I, and what am I offering? Good evening. I'm Dr. Kelly Birkenstock, owner of Skin Body Health in New Orleans, Louisiana and Mandeville, Louisiana. We're also licensed in Alabama and Florida, and we service people directly there as we go to town there and do shows and events. Online and through Zoom and such, we treat clients all over the nation. So what is this new acne treatment all about? Well, there's this new laser, 1726 nanometers, that can absolutely eradicate acne, kill the bacteria, and also empty the sebaceous glands and tighten them so that the sebum, the fatty substances in those pores do not reaccumulate. And that is what is so important. We always come to you talking about anti-aging tips, beauty tips, hair restoration, vitality, and longevity. So, if you've missed any of our webinars, we've been online now for a few years. You can go to our YouTube channel, Dr. Birkenstock Skin Body Health. If any of your friends or family want to know more about this topic and weren't able to join us tonight, please have them follow up there, Dr. Birkenstock Skin Body Health on YouTube, and it'll be up shortly on our YouTube channel and will remain there. If you're watching from TikTok or Instagram, we're happy to have you. Please like and share. And the first 3 clients tonight are going to get part of our custom skincare program. So we're offering our Eliminate Satin Seal and Floral Sea Cleanser as a Acne Rosacea bundle. That Acne Rosacea bundle retails for $190, and tonight throughout January 15th, so for a month, it'll be on sale for $149. So it retails for $190 and it'll be on sale for $149. That is our Eliminate Skincare Cream, which absolutely helps diminish acne, pustules, blackheads, enlarged pores, nodules, and the like. Our Satin Seal, which is a moisturizer made for acne, because have you ever had acne and you try every product over the counter or at the cosmetic counter in the department stores, and what happens? You get dry, you get red, you get irritated, and you peel. So you're fighting the acne, and then you're resulting with chapped and peels and irritation, and that's just no way to live. So we have a Satin Seal moisturizer that will absolutely moisturize the skin without adding to those already closed up, irritated comedones, which means blackheads and whiteheads, and sebaceous glands that are full of pus or halfway full of pus. We don't want any of that. So we've got a satin seal product that is absolutely fine for acne, rosacea, or adult acne skin. And a floral seed cleanser that is gentle enough for anyone to use. So the Eliminate Acne product at night, the Satin Seal Moisturizer, which can be used with the Eliminate at night to prevent the retting, chappedness, and peeling. And in the morning, floral seed cleanser, followed by just a little bit of the Satin Seal Moisturizer so that you're not dry, chapped, and red all day long, giving us a sort of a neutral skin tone. So our products have been out a while and they did a great job, but what can take them further? Well, chemical peel. And we pick, depending on the client, whether it's going to be aminolevulinic acid, glycolic, or one of the others. Most of the times in acne, I'm going to go for the aminolevulinic peel. It's going to empty out the glands the fastest, close down the pores, and dry up those blackheads and whiteheads. Love the aminolevulinic acid peel. But since then, and of course, in addition to Accutane or another calmer antibiotic, we've really had nothing else. The lasers we've had out there maybe gave us a 5% improvement. What do we have different today? We've got the new AcneClear from Milan, Italy, made by Quanta, which is FDA approved, but has not been yet delivered into this country. We've got the AviClear by Cartessa, which we will have in our clinic next week. And what makes them so special is the engineers and the scientists have been working so hard to devise a wavelength of laser light at 1726. Because 1726, pow, hits the sebaceous glands, hits the sebum, hits the pus, and it just eliminates it. Nodules are just dissipating and diminishing and disappearing left and right. So this is going to be our AcneClear program. We're going to do 3 treatments once a month with our new laser. Do the 1726 laser, say for example, January 1st, February 1st, March 1st. And by summertime, by springtime, you're having clear skin. We're going to continue and add to that a custom formula for your topical skin, a cream just for you. Whether it's our Eliminate, which we use for the general public, or whether it's our Restore, or whether it's our Vitamin C Enhanced Organic Pearl. One of those 3 we're going to pick directly for you. Then our chemical peel, aminolevulinic acid, to tighten the pore and improve the integrity of the skin. So please don't forget to like and share our webinar so that you can get one of our Eliminate products for yourself at absolutely no charge. That'll be for the first 5 people that like and share us on Facebook, TikTok, and or Instagram. So we'll open up the questions if anybody has any. Acne affects over 50 million people in the United States. It's a devastating disorder. It has psychological, emotional, and physical attributes that absolutely hurt the person. A child or an adult or a teen will go to school. They may miss out on dating because they're embarrassed. They may not want to go to a dance because they're embarrassed. As an adult, they may not, they want to either put on too much makeup, which aggravates the situation, or put on no makeup at all for fear of aggravating the situation. So it really does take its path and just hurt us in an emotional, psychological way. So we finally got some answers for people that we can clear the skin with Dr. Birkenstock AcneClear Program. I'm so proud to be able to help our patients. One of our patients is going to come on in the next week or 2 and show us her before and afters. She's done absolutely wonderful. That patient is named Miss Brittany. I won't say her last name. We've had several other successful clients as well. And when we can show you what we've done for them, it's going to be a home run for you as well. So go to our store in the link below, store.skinbodyhealth.com. If you'd like to get our Acne Rosacea Bundle, Eliminate, Satin Seal, and Floral Seed Cleanser. It's a general program, pH balanced, it's on sale, and it's going to help. If you do nothing else, that's going to help. When we stop grabbing left, right, and underneath at all the products on the store shelves, which one is going to help? Which one is going to be right for me? And the pH balances are all over the place, and really what's happened is the face retaliates. So when you might get rid of 1 or 2 pimples, 7 more come out. Why? Because we disturbed the balance of the skin. And we get so dry and we put on a moisturizer that further clogs the pores and brings out more comedones. It's just a vicious, vicious cycle. Accutane is an answer, and it's been an answer since the late 80s. And thank God for its development. But it has a lot of side effects. We all know that if you have a child when you're on Accutane, the odds of having severe, severe birth defects are very great. So much so that the Accutane company and anybody who distributes even the generics, you must fill out a form and get blood tests every month to prove that you're taking contraceptive protection, and also that you haven't become pregnant, because it had severe consequences. For the patient, of course, we have to watch the liver, because it is digested through the liver and can really cause some liver harm. However, when you're facing that horrible acne, cystic acne that's all over the face and causing you, emotional turmoil, physical turmoil, and you just needing some relief, Accutane is often an answer. Now, finally, we've got another answer. And the answer is the 1726 Acne Laser. A cure by Quanta, which will soon be here from Milan, Italy. And it was so nice visiting with my colleagues there last week. And we went over what protocols that we're going to use with the 1726. They're going to absolutely improve the integrity of the skin, stop the acne in ways that we never have been able to offer before. So while I love the 1726 laser, I'm not going to stop there. We're going to add on our custom peels. We're going to add on our custom topicals. And sometimes we have to take big people medication. And we're going to clear up this acne with Dr. Birkenstock AcneClear Program. I'm going to go ahead and take a question from the audience now.
Will this laser dry out my skin if I already have dry skin?
Oh, it's a great question. So if you already have dry skin and you have acne, will the 1726 laser, whether it's the AccuCure or whether it's the AviClear, will either one of those dry out my skin? And the answer is no. You may get some minimal drying, but by and large the answer is no. Now, while you're doing the once a month treatment with the 1726 laser, we would have you stop any oral medications, any topical cream or ointment medications, and we would do that for a period of 3 days before up to a week after. And then you can restart those as usual without any consequence. So very, very little drying, if any. If you've already got dry skin, I would expect not to do that. Typically what we know from the clinical trials is that the people that were very, very oily and very, very full of sebaceous gland sebum, those are the ones that got a little drier, but even then it wasn't a magnificent amount of dry. Accutane dries immensely while you're taking it. When you're finished with your Accutane program, which was the old-fashioned medication we used to use that was very, very strong, within 4 to 6 weeks you were making sebum production again.
Will it get rid of my birthmark on my glabella area, this new laser?
Oh, great question. So the 1726 laser will get rid of acne, pustules, comedones, blackheads, whiteheads, and nodules. It is not a pigment laser. There are tons and tons of lasers out there. It's not a pigment laser, so no, it absolutely won't do anything to your birthmark, but I do have other lasers that I can help you with that birthmark. Okay. As always, I'm Dr. Birkenstock, owner of Skin Body Health. I'm so proud to bring you one of the acne solutions that are now available that weren't available before. It has been my privilege to go to Milan, Italy, Rome, Paris, talk with my colleagues, and we continue to brainstorm and develop programs that can help you. So, delighted to introduce my AcneClear program to you. We've always done very well as was possible, with medications, our topicals, Accutane, and our aminolevulonic acid peels, as well as our glycolic peels. And now we've got something big and beautiful to offer, the 1726 laser. So, if you want to go to our product store, eliminate Acne Rosacea Cream, Satin Seal Moisturizer for acne prone, Floral Seed Cleanser for acne prone. That trio was originally $190, on sale for $149 for the next month. If you sign up for our AcneClear program within this next month, we're going to give every client that mentions our webinar $250 off. It's an investment in yourself. We want to help you. We want tons of testimonials of how we changed your life because we got rid of your acne. I thank you as always. I'm Dr. Birkenstock.